Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to my channel. Now this isn't going to be a tutorial, this isn't going to be a rant, this is just going to be my honest thought and opinion about what I just watched. The time is now 8:46 p.m. on Tuesday, September 25th, and Laura Lee, I saw this through a Twitter, I saw this through a tweet and I wanted to personally check it out and see what she had to say. And like her former apology video, which she said in this video, she took it down. She took down the former one, and this video is 3 minutes and 43 seconds. And I am just going, let me pause it. I am just going through the comments, and there is a lot of mixed emotions. Somebody saying she only posted today because Shane Dawson uploaded his Jake Paul series. Some people are comparing her apology video to Jenna Marbles' fish video. And a lot of them are just saying she's only doing this for the AdSense money. And everyone's entitled to their opinion. My personal opinion is I like this video so much more than her previous video. This one seems a lot more genuine and not forced. She's talking about how she wants to make the community a better place, you know, how she's doing other stuff outside of beauty, and you know, she wants to come back to her roots. Now, do I fully support her? I'm still on the fence about that, but I think this is a start. I'm not posting this video just because of like the drama and backlash about her, because I just did post a video about drama channels and how I feel. But I wanted to post this because this is something I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for her to post a video, and I'm still waiting on Manny to post a video to see what he's been up to see what he's been trying to do. Like I said, there's a lot of mixed emotions. There's some people who are still giving her support, and there are so many people trying to just tear her down again. And a lot of people are saying people are started forgiving her again, just like Logan Paul. This is one comment from Lubna Alabdallah. This is 43 minutes ago. People just started forgiving her again, just like Logan Paul. Just because she speaks confidently doesn't mean she means it. And there is a truth and a false to that statement. Confidence can very quickly deceive the eye and the ears. But it's also about how you portray that confidence. And throughout this video, I know she has a very forlorn, very solemn attitude and sound. And I think she's being genuine in this response. And in the video, she actually did bring up her tweets and the things that she said, and she even showed them on the screen. And I think that was a good move on her part, because she is owning up to her mistakes. She is trying to, you know, there's a lot of wrong that she did, and it will probably take a really long time for her to fix it, and that's just the way we live, and that's just how society is today. But I say, as long as she tries, that's a good on her part, as long as she tries. But as soon as she stops trying, then I'm basically done with the situation, and I'm going to move on and not pay attention anymore. But I was honestly waiting for this, and I said in my previous video I was waiting for Manny and Laura to say something. Laura said something. It's short. It's spoken more confidently. There's no fake tears. There's none of that. But is it genuine? That's to the viewer. I do believe there is a spark of genuine thought and apology in her video, but again, that's for the viewer to decide. What do you guys think? Let me know. My next video will probably be a more fun, upbeat, you know, tutorial look thing. I'm planning a whole lot of Halloween videos. Go check out my Instagram. I've been posting a lot of looks where, well, just my two most recent looks I've been posting where, you know, I've been using my forehead as a canvas. So go check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think about Laura's recent video. And until next time, guys, I love you so much.